Everyone has experienced the dreaded "something went wrong" message on Gmail. It's an annoying and frustrating experience. This video aims to demystify the most common Gmail errors and offer simple solutions to get your account back up and running. We'll be focusing on the 5 most frequent errors reported by users, providing you with step-by-step instructions to fix them. Forgotten password. Use the Forgot Password option to reset your password. Follow the recovery steps via your phone number or recovery email. Choose a strong password and store it securely. Incorrect login details. Double-check your email address and password for typos. Ensure caps lock is off and that you're using the correct keyboard layout. Account locked out. If Google detects suspicious activity, your account may get locked. Verify your identity through your phone number or recovery email to unlock it. 1. Security measures. This message appears when Google detects unusual login attempts or possible bot activity. Wait and retry. Do not attempt to log in repeatedly, as this may prolong the lockout. Wait for a few hours or up to 24 hours before trying again. Contact support. If the issue persists, visit Google Support and follow the instructions to regain access. Check internet connection. Ensure your device has a stable internet connection. Outbox issues. Open your outbox and check for stuck emails. Clear the outbox and try resending the email. Blocked sender. Check if your email was marked as spam or blocked by Gmail's filter. Mark the email as not spam to avoid future issues. Spam folder. Open the spam folder and mark important emails as not spam. Filter settings. Check your Gmail filter settings to ensure emails are not automatically deleted or archived. Contact the sender. If expected emails are missing, ask the sender to resend and confirm if they received any bounce-back messages. Violations of terms. Google may suspend accounts due to spam, phishing, or malware activity. Avoid violating Gmail's terms of service to prevent suspensions. Appeal process. If your account was suspended unfairly, submit an appeal to Google for review. Creating a new account. If the suspension is permanent, consider creating a new Gmail account and follow best security practices. These are the 5 most common Gmail errors and how to fix them. Prevent issues, keep your security settings updated, and regularly check your account activity. Further help, visit Google's official support pages and community forums. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech solutions.